Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4.
Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome for the first time. Either way, I'm super happy that you're here. So before I get into what I'm doing, I just wanted to show you guys that these have lasted almost a week. Tomorrow will be 1 week and then I do pop them off. But yeah, they lasted a long time for having peel base, but because the nail polish is so thin, that's why I can get away with wearing them a little longer. Pretty awesome. Anyway, we are making a set of press-ons for my daughter. This is lavender violets and it's a shimmer white, which I love because then I don't have to deal with plain solid white, which we all know is fun. So I'm doing this on just one nail. She is going to California to spend some time with her dad and they're going to Disneyland. So she wanted some Disney inspired nails, and the picture that she sent me, which I will insert here somewhere. So the picture obviously is a little bit more like of a pale pink color, and I wanted to go a different route. She said, you have creative control, do whatever you want. So I chose Dove from Cascade Color Works. I know they're not around anymore, so that sucks because you can't purchase it and I can't link it, but it is a beautiful color, and I'm not going to let all the beautiful colors I got from Cascade Color Works. Sorry for the interruption. That was my mother calling. So yeah, so like I was saying, I'm not going to let the colors that I have from Cascade Color Works go to waste. So you will see them periodically in my videos. I try to do them in non-videos, but you know, sometimes it happens. So we are doing 2 layers of Dove on all the nails except the one that we did the white shimmer, and we also do 2 layers of the white shimmer on that nail, and then I will clear cap. I only show you guys the first layer like I've been kind of doing lately because I don't want to be too repetitive. First layer same as the second layer, and then we're going to do some nail art. So I'm going to let you guys watch. As soon as I'm done with this, which will be here shortly, then I will get into the clear capping, and I do leave that on camera. And then I activate and file, and I do leave the filing routine for just the pinky nail. They're all the same, but I left it in so that you guys could kind of see how I file when I have press-ons versus on my actual fingers. So I'll let you guys watch that, and I will be back when we get into the nail art. I know, I said I was leaving. Sorry. One more thing, especially for those that have never watched my videos, I use odorless liquids. So you will see, like, after I do the original dip of color and I let it sit for a minute, I do go back in and pour over or just lay the nail flat. I do this with my actual nails as well, just to absorb any of that extra liquid that's still on the nail, since it is the odorless. See, I'm doing it right here. Just wanted you guys to know, and you weren't like, what is she doing? Yeah. So that's all, and I will be back.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot, Head full of flies, so here come the clouds, They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost, Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Step 1, wake up, really gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot, Head full of flies, so here come the clouds, They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost, Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Time for some nail art. So I got these acrylic paints from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to definitely get more. I only got a few colors to start with, and this is the first time I've actually used them, but man, I really like painting with acrylic paint. It is so much easier than trying to paint with nail polish, and obviously I don't use gels. So I think this is really funny because I did the other press-on hand, or we'll call it a hand even though it's not. But anyway, I did that off camera, obviously, and I had no issues. And then this one, it's like I kept being a little overzealous with the dotting tool and messing up the simplest things. It's just a dot. That's all it is. But apparently I was having a little too much fun. But super easy to clean up. It ended up not being a big deal. Like, they all looked really cute, except this one in the end kind of looked a little funky. I'm not sure why, but I asked her if she wanted me to fix it, because obviously that would require me cleaning off the whole nail and then redoing it. And she's like, no, it's fine. You can't even tell. So sometimes I'm a little overcritical, especially when I do them for someone else. But she liked them. So we're going to go through. We're going to do the dots, which is like the head of the little Mickey Mouse looking thingies. And then I go through and I use the smaller end to do the ears. And then after that, I'll set this one aside, let it dry a little bit, and then I will do the other finger that she wanted some gems, like just on towards the cuticle, you'll see. And I just kind of went based off the inspo picture that you guys saw back in the beginning, and I did just one little gem with like some what are they called, caviar beads just around it. So I'm going to let you guys watch that, and then I will come back and I will also put some little gems on this one. I don't do gems on myself. I literally only do them on my daughter. And you'll see that I use the Fast Bond, Dashing Diva Fast Bond to adhere these with. Last time I thought I would be safe using a gel glue because it was on top of, like, there's no way any of the gel residue got on her. It's not even possible. And she still reacted on every single finger, including every single finger had a gem on them. But it's just crazy. So it's not even worth the risk because you'll see in the pictures at the end of this that her cuticles are a little bit unhappy. And that's why. It's because of the last set that I made her, I used gel, and I feel horrible. She knew I was going to do it. She said it was fine. She didn't think she'd react. I didn't think she'd react, but somehow like that gel sniffs her skin out and it just says, hello, I'm here and I'm going to ruin your day. So she had to take those off like immediately. And we will never do that again. I will only use Dashing Diva in the future or any other non-gel glue that I can find to use that is really good for gems. I'm hoping these will hold up well for her. I did top coat them with smudge-free top coat. Well, not this hand, the other hand. But I did use a dip top coat on these to kind of seal them in. So I'm hoping that helps. But anyway, I've yapped long enough. I'm going to let you guys watch and I'll be back.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Okay, we're nice and dry, so I'm going to do the smudge-free top coat to protect everything, and then I go in with a nail polish top coat to protect everything before I add the dip top coat. And I don't do that right now. So here's the bad news. My intention with this video was to do the press-ons, and then when my daughter came over to get them put on, I was going to show you guys that process. But she was super busy with work. She literally, the day that she left, I took her to the airport. I went over to her house. I brought all of my stuff with me and I put them on, and I filed up any kind of like, overhang or just fix the shape or whatever. And then I added the dip top coat once they were on her nails. I could not film that because I was at her house. I didn't have any kind of setup to do that. So, and she has 2 very small children. So that would not have worked. So I have some pictures here. I hope you guys like this. I will get another video of doing press-ons and actually applying them to her so that you guys can see that. But like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and have a beautiful day. Thanks so much for watching.